Welcome back to KS Vlogs. I'm Kevin. You won't believe what has been happening so far. Things just not going like it's supposed to be. But before I talk about that, you guys must be wondering what's wrong with my face. My eyes are all swollen and watery and all shit. I got the flu. I woke up this morning with the flu. Yeah. I don't know how long it will last. I know you go away soon, so I got the flu. That's why I have the art in my face trying to hide my eyes a bit, but I got the flu. And I also need a trim. I'm more bushy, like a bushman right now. But I will be trimming anytime soon. So that you're gonna see that a lot. Yeah, back to what I'm saying now. Something has happened that I didn't expect to happen and I didn't want to happen. Remember I told you guys that my phone fell and broke, and my laptop screen broke also. So I can't edit my videos and I can't really do much recording. And my friend loaned me a phone so I can do my recordings. And apparently, for some reason, that phone stopped charging. Like it just literally stopped charging. I tried yesterday, I tried last night, I tried this morning. This phone just refuses to charge. I don't know what else to do. So I borrowed my friend's phone to do this recording. And this is the thing, my friend is always using his phone. So I don't know if I'll be able to upload videos regularly. So maybe once a week, maybe once a month. I don't know how often I'll be uploading videos now because of what's going on. But dang, this thing is driving me nuts. Give me a second, I'm gonna get something over here. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. I'm looking after some tea, some ginger tea and garlic. I hear that garlic is good for it and ginger is good for it. I just put two of them in one. I was making one big ginger tea and garlic tea. Yeah, that's looking at over there. Wait, I checked on it, but the water is not hot as yet. So yeah, I'll be getting to that soon. But yeah, like I said, yeah. So I've been using my friend's phone to do this recording. So if you guys don't see me posting videos, it's not like I don't want to. It's that I can't at the moment. I will still try to upload videos. As you can see, this camera is a way better quality than my phone because it's my friend's phone. It's an iPhone something. I don't know which one. Something I don't know. Yeah. I'm trying to get a phone next week. Try to buy a phone next week. That wasn't my plan. I had different plans to do with my money because I just started working at this different place. You know, early on in my channel, I told you that I was working at the supermarket. Well, I'm not working here anymore. I left a few weeks ago. I'm working somewhere else. Get some more money because things are not really flow. You know, I want it to flow, but yeah. So I wanted to do something with my money, but I guess I have to change my plans and buy a phone next week. So yeah. So hope you guys are having a great day. I know nothing much didn't really happen in this video. I know, but I just want to inform you guys on what's going on at all times. So until next time, I'm Kevin. This is KS Vlogs. And I'm out. Peace.